All right, golfers, something that you've never been told that can help your game immediately and also save your back. The key and the secret to making a full turn, and it's not what you think. Most golfers will say, oh, Jess, I'm going to make a turn, and they're going to go, they're turning. I mean, I guess that's a turn. The problem with that is not a golf movement, okay? A golf movement, you do not turn in flexion. You do not turn in flexion, okay? Now there's 3 parts to the spine that you have to learn how to move and blend together. And then the next piece is how your arms and shoulders work around you, okay? Everybody who's turning and keeping their knee flexed, let's stop that immediately. We do not want to see that in your golf swing. We want to understand there's 3 movements of the spine. When you swing back, you have extension of your spine, coupled with a left tilt, and then a turning motion, which the extension and tilt give you the turn. So as I'm extending, I'm tilting to the left. You can see from down the line that my knee flex has changed, okay? I'll do it again. Extension, left tilt, extension, left tilt, extension, left tilt, extension, left tilt, extension, left tilt. You can see how my arms have moved completely around my body here. Then I'm coming down, back into flexion, back into right tilt, back into extension, and all the way around the front side of the arc. So when I do that, that's an extremely powerful movement. I will do extension, tilt, and turn. So I'm going to blend those 3 together, and I can hit really solid golf shots, okay? Really solid. So I would say that when you're hitting shots, that is crucial to learning how to move your body. And so many golfers are hurting their backs because they're turning in flexion with a knee that's flexed. So I want to be able to set up over the golf ball, okay? Be able to extend, tilt, and turn my body as I go back, okay? I keep a centered pivot. I can come back down in impact, come back around. So as I do that, it's a blending of extension. Obviously, you can't hit a ball if you just stand straight up. You have to have left tilt as you're extending. And you can see here how I've created a backswing with a shoulder tilt inclined to the ground. Why that is important, okay? Why that's important, because you need to keep a stable inclination to the ground. All right, so you want to create a pivot that has a stable inclination to the ground. You don't want to take the pivot and move it way up and to the right. You don't want to take the pivot and move it way down to the left for a right-handed golfer. So I want to combine the 3 motions of extension, tilt, and turn and be able to do that, right? And to be able to hit really good shots and not have to worry about the outcome. So when I'm playing golf, okay, I'm blending those 3 motions. It's very easy to do. Extension, left tilt, turning, right? So then when I do that, my left shoulder goes to the ground. I keep the relationship to the ground, and on the way through, my right shoulder goes under, okay? Now that's important. I know people have come to me and they start tilting their right shoulder back. You do not want to do that. You're basically going from a left tilt into a right tilt through the ball, okay? Now, when you're doing this motion, you do not want to have a lot of like activity with your hands and arms and moving that club, like flicking the club around. So when you move your arms around you, I would say if I hold my trail arm up in the air and I move it around me, that would be considered shoulder rotation, okay? That gives you a large amount of turn. So if you're understanding, and then your front arm goes across and around, okay? It does not pull into your body or pull into your body. Your shoulders, remember, are the most mobile joint of your body, okay? I can move these things all around. The shoulder joint is not attached to the spine. It's a floating joint outside in your shoulders here. So as I move this, I can create a lot of movement, okay? There's retraction, there's what's called abduction from behind you, and then there is also as far as going back around you, now you can create the most turn. There's what's called external rotation, okay? And so if you understand that, coupled with the extension, tilt, and turn, and letting your arms go around you, you can make a pretty full golf swing right there and not have to try to twist your body. That's something that saved my golfing career, right? I always talk about it, the tilt, super important, that I learned how to move my body in a certain way, and my spine that created from the ground up, created the knee flex change, created the hip tilt, so you can see from down the line how that looks right there, okay? As I move that around, you can see my zipper of my jacket here is up in the air, so I can go up, so that's really helpful to have it go up, and then I have an inclination to the ground, right? So that's something that has never really been taught. You know, it's still, I don't hear it very often, okay? And then understanding how your arms are a power source, okay? You cannot just turn your body, or extend, tilt, and turn your body and just leave your arms up and expect to hit a golf shot. You have to actively move your arms down, okay? That's how you hit a golf shot. So I would say that understanding the motion of the extension, tilt, and turn of your spine, of your body, moving your arms around you, what that also does, as you can see, I always put this grid on the ground for the hands and the club. As I move this club, as I do extension, tilt, and turn, you can see where my hands go around my body, back down into the back of the ball and up and around me. So I can keep a really simple swing and not hurt myself. And I can hit a lot of balls, not try to swing too hard. The extension, tilt, and turn also allows my hands to travel around my body. Okay, you can see how deep my hands get behind me, coming back down, creating what's called circular momentum, back in the back of the ball, back around. So if you can understand, and you know, I like to break it down into the 3 segments of the extension. If I go from flex forward to extend it up, that's extension, right? Extension gives you rise of the arms. It's not staying flexed over and bending your arms. It's extending, left tilting, and turning. And that brings your club around you. And I can combine that with how my arms then move around my body, okay? A lot of people don't realize this, but your arms are actually moving independently. Your shoulders are actually working independently of each other. In the backswing, this is retracting, abducting, and externally rotating. And in the backswing, your front arm is protracting, internally rotating, and adducting. There's two separate motions going around, and then you reverse it going through. And so if you can understand how that works, that makes a heck of a difference for you. And it provides a lot of power too. You can create a lot of power because now by extending, tilting, turning your body, you're adding a lever source, which I've talked about in a lot of my videos here. And I can really hit solid golf shots. Helps me control all 3 fundamentals as well. I'm controlling the low point. I'm hitting the ball solid, hitting the ball high in the face. I'm able to hit these shots over and over again with a tight little draw. I'm hitting the ball high in the face. I'm controlling the low point. That's fundamental number 1. Hitting the ball far enough. That's fundamental number 2. And I'm controlling the curve. That's fundamental 3. So you can control all 3 fundamentals by doing these motions. I would say one last piece here is that as I swing back, okay, my weight is on my front leg. You can see I'm creating a stable centered pivot. I'm not swaying off the ball. I think that's a big mistake for a lot of golfers because the swing happens too fast. So you're better off keeping a centered pivot, keeping the weight on the left, and then that helps you control the low point. So try these. I know it's going to help your game. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love teaching this game. Been doing it for 25 years and enjoy helping all the golfers out there. Thank you so much for your comments. So if you really like this video, please go ahead and share it with your friends. Please like, please comment, turn on the notification bell so you can get all the new videos that pop up. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon. Hello golfers, so I've got an unbelievable opportunity for you. You can now work with me from anywhere in the world. I have my new Swing Mastery online golf lesson program. Really simple to do. You send me your swings, I send you customized lessons back, I send you customized drills depending on what you need to work on with your game. It's an awesome way to work with me personally, one-on-one if you can't make it here to Deer Creek Golf Club, and I hope you join. Hit the link in the description below, and I look forward to helping you.